Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so today we talk about the counter. Remember the counter thing in Python. Yeah, counter thing. What's counter? Counter data. So this counter data returns key value pairs for the unique items in the data. Yeah, for example, like data. If data is A, B, B, A, C. Okay, so this counter object will return the dictionary, which is a key value pair, so dictionary, yeah, a curly brace. So A, this is the key, which is the unique items. And how many times they appear? They appear two times. B appear two times. C appear
One.
yeah, curly brace. Okay, so now today if we want to implement this counter object, so let's implement it. Okay, let's say define counter and then data. Okay, so then this data can be a string or a list or anything that's iterable, right? It's iterable. What means iterable? Means that you can do this for I in data thing, right? So by the beginning we need to define the return data, which is a dictionary, default dictionary, int. This int tells that the value type is integer, and by default, if the item, the key is not existent in the dictionary, the value will be 0. The value will be 0. Okay, so now we want to iterate. We want to iterate over the data, so we use the for I in data. So that we go through each item. Each item will be character on the list, or the number in the list, or anything element in the list. And then now we want to reference the value, right? So how do we reference the value? Answer square bracket. And what to put here? What to put here? What to put here? I, right? And then if we want to increment by 1, so how do we put it?
Plus equal 1.
Plus equal 1. Well done. And then at last we want to return this. Return what? Return what? What's the thing we're going to return? Return answer. What's the time complexity? What's the time complexity, Ryan?
I ran.
Well done. Wow, ON. What's the space complexity?
I ran.
Yes. Why is ON?
I don't know.
ON because we are using an additional space for storing the key value pair, right? In the worst case, it will be needs n items. Yeah, if there are n items in the data, it needs n. Right? It's linear. It's proportional to the number of the items, right? Space complexity, time complexity is ON because we are going to each item in the list, right? So in there are n numbers of elements in the data, right? So it needs ON, right? And that's it, yeah. Okay, answer I plus equal 1. Okay, look, this is the key value. Ryan, do you want to? I erase this bit. Can you feel it? Okay. Answer. The answer is the dictionary. Yeah. Answer I plus equal 1, right? Well done. That's it for today. Good job.